Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
You begin by confirming compatibility and updating the Google Pay app. This prevents version conflicts. Once done, open Google Pay and tap payments, then select the problematic debit card. Remove it, this clears any bad tokens. Next, make sure the card number, expiration, CVV, and billing ZIP exactly match bank records. You do this because tokenization needs pristine data. Finally, close the app, reboot your phone, and reopen Google Pay to start the re-add flow. You now trigger the only reliable fix. Let the issuing bank tokenize the card first. Open your bank's app, add the same debit card under digital wallet or card controls, and complete any verification, SMS code, biometric confirm, or a quick call. The bank will generate a secure token. Once the bank confirms tokenization, return to Google Pay and choose Add a Card, then import from bank. Doing this ensures Google Pay receives a valid token instead of raw card data, preventing the invalid card error. Finish by completing any merchant verification prompts, and, if you want, set the card as default for contactless. Then test with a $0 or small authorization so the network registers the token. Verify it appears in transaction history. If the card still shows invalid, clear Google Pay cache and data, repeat import, and contact your bank's digital wallet team. Have the token ID and error timestamps ready. This last step lets the bank reissue or troubleshoot the token.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.